Hey guys, Angel here, and I wanted to shoot a quick video to show you how to do the domain mapping for the Empower Networks blog Beast. And it's pretty simple, but there are a couple things that you'll have to do, so we will go over that now. So as you can see here, this is my main Empower Network blog, and it is on its own domain name, so I've got empoweredalphas.com. And what we're going to do is you're going to click your little plus symbol here, which will open up the settings for your blog. And you would be going to custom domain. So this one you'll see how it's already set up here. And this is being kind of finicky, so it won't let me delete the domain name that I put in here by accident. So, but what you will do is you're going to come over here, you're going to click on custom domain, and it's going to ask you to type in the domain name that you want, and then you'll click like save, and then it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And so this is the information that you're going to need to put in with your domain registrar. So we're going to do this in actually two different domain registrars so that I can show you how to do it in two different places. So that should cover most different places that you could have registered your domain name at. So the first one we're going to do is Godaddy, since that one is pretty popular. And stay logged in, please. Alright, and actually let me go here. Okay, so you're going to be in your back office, and we're just going to go over to our domain names. And I bought a new one here a few minutes ago or so, so we're going to use this one to show you how this works. So I'm just going to go into launch so that it opens up the domain manager for this domain name. Alright, and so what we're looking for first is the DNS zone file, so go ahead and click on that. And scroll on down until you see the www, because this is what we're going to want to change. And we're going to actually change this here. Actually, you're going to click on edit, and it's going to open up a file, or the same thing here, so that you can edit it here. So normally, typically when you first do this, it's going to look like this. So it's going to say www, and there's going to be an @ symbol here. So it's this @ symbol that we want to change. So I'm going to head back here, and we want to copy this here. And so for GoDaddy, you don't need this period. Some registrars will ask you or will require you to have the period. GoDaddy doesn't seem to care. So we're going to head back over here and paste that in. And then we're going to scroll down and click Save Zone File. Okay. And it's going to refresh. Alright. So now we're going to go back here and we're going to click back on Settings. And now we're going to have to do some forwarding. This is because when we set that up, that's setting it up for the www version of the domain name. But we also want to be able to use the domain name without the www. So to do that, we're going to have to forward it. So click on forwarding, and you're going to click on manage. And we're going to add forwarding. And here, we're going to forward the domain name, forward it to the www version of the domain name. So this one is angelsempoweredlife.com, and you can leave it on permanent, that's fine. Make sure this is forward only, we don't want to mask it, and click on add. And we're going to save, and there we go. And so the reason you do that is so that when you go to the domain name, so let's do, and this is probably not going to have come up yet, empowered, oh no, that's not what I want. Angels Empowered Life. Yeah, it's not going to update that quick, but you'll see that if you go to the www version, you'll go to www, but if you go to it without it, when it forwards, it's going to forward that to the www version, basically. So it's going to take a little bit to propagate. So, but that's how you do it in GoDaddy. And I'm also going to do it in Namecheap because it's a little bit different. So I'm just going to pick one here. This is Prosperity Chic. This is another blog that I was running. Alright, so we're going to go over here, and you need to make sure that the DNS settings are the standard DNS settings, and so you're not using your own DNS settings basically. So you just want to leave it the way it was when you bought it, and you're going to go to all host records. And wait and wait and wait. Maybe. Possibly. Come on. Okay, here we go. Alright, so this one's going to give you the @ and the www right here. So in the www section, you're going to put in that same thing there. So for this one, it was my Prosperity Chic one. So it's going to say the prosperity-chic.empowernetwork.com. So you would just copy that again. You're going to paste it there. Here you're going to make sure it says CNAME alias. And then for the @ one, this one you're just going to redirect it. And this is actually redirecting incorrectly, so we can actually fix that. So it needs to be prosperity-chic.com. And then here you're just going to use the URL redirect. Go down and click Save Changes. Alright, and then we've got Prosperity Chic. And it's going here. So as you see, I just changed the redirect, so it's going to take a minute to pop up. But if we do the www version, and now it goes to here. Alright, so that's really all you have to do. So you're just changing the host name to the CNAME alias, and then make sure that you put it in here, click verify domain name, and as long as you set it up correctly, it'll give you an OK and it'll turn green. This one is incorrect because it won't let me remove it. But that's all there is to it. So hopefully that made sense. If you have any questions, I will try to explain it better. Alright, take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.